Uh, how many of you already are into tarot? Anybody into tarot, doing tarot, or learned tarot before? Nobody? Okay. So basically, tarot is all about, people say it's prediction, but I always say that tarot is something that gives you guidance. It helps you to take decisions in life. It can give you a prior notice that this thing is going to happen in your life. So just take precautions. If you see that in future, maybe you may have a downfall, or your job is going to go away, or something is not going to work out in your life. You may have an accident or anything of that sort. You definitely get a precautionary thing that this thing is going to happen in your life. So always take tarot more as a guidance than as a prediction. Okay, tarot will not do very long term predictions. Tarot will not do very long term predictions. Like, why? I'll tell you, because tarot is more about connecting with your energy. It's about understanding that what you're feeling internally. So when we take the cards and we connect the cards with our client, we always say that please help us to connect with the unconscious mind of the client. So, what is unconscious mind? Unconscious mind is the lowest around your belly where you hide all your information. There are certain things which are embedded in your unconscious mind and you don't share it with people. Maybe you were very small, you wanted to become a doctor, engineer, or maybe you wanted to become a politician or whatever. But those dreams did not come true. So, what happens is those dreams are embedded inside our subconscious mind. So, when we learn tarot, we connect our cards with the client's unconscious mind. Unconscious mind, somewhere you can connect it with your umbilical cord. So, how you connect, how the mother is connected with the child, with the umbilical cord, in the same way, the client and the reader is connected through that umbilical cord, and through that we get the information of the client. Now many times people say that, they like, if you see a lot of live on Instagram, people, even I do live, I should not say that, but doing readings on live, especially asking very very important questions of your life, should be avoided, because when we do not connect with our client's unconscious mind, now two factors are required. First is that you need to either have your client sitting face to face. You always make your client sit just face to face, sitting opposite you, or you should at least hear his voice on the phone. So the connection is either through face to face. The second connection is the audio connection where you hear the voice of the client. The third way can be a voice message. So if your client cannot call or for some reasons, then you can tell your client to send you a voice message. You listen, you make the cards listen to that voice message, because your cards should listen to the question. Only after that, you get accuracy on the question. If somebody is texting you and saying that please read for me, avoid, even if that person is ready to give you 5,000 rupees. Do not take questions on text messages, because you will not be doing justice to the client, not be doing justice to yourself. In tarot, first of all, when you are in a convocation, or you're doing something very important in your life, you take an oath, right? कि मैं जो बोलूंगी सच के अलावा कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी. तो same way in tarot, we take an oath that first of all, we are never going to cheat our clients. We are never going to take the money and then run away from it. We are never going to unnecessarily charge the client and then just give them peanuts. And we are not going to do their readings on text messages. We are not going to do readings if they have already taken the same question from some other reader. So if you're going to a tarot reader and if you've taken a reading recently, like 21 days bhi nahi hue hain wo reading ko, then you should not go to the next tarot reader. You can ask different questions, but you cannot ask the same questions for the next 21 days. I have so many people who come to me who continuously take readings, like they go to these apps, Astro Sage, Astro Talk, 10-10 रुपए में, 20-20 रुपए में वो लोग क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. If you type the message and you ask them, you will not get connectivity with your cards. So the answers that I'm not saying that they give wrong answers, but I always feel जब भी आप टैरो रीडिंग ले रहे हो, अब थोड़ा शांति से बैठो, शांति से पूछो और शांति से वो मैसेज को एक्सेप्ट करो. घाई घाई में, because they do very fast. In 1 minute, 2 minutes, the meter goes on. So you're very anxious. You want to ask the questions fast. So avoid doing that. If you have major questions to ask, if you have very very okay, like simple questions, it's fine. But if you have major decision-making questions, please avoid fast readings or frequent readings or hopping from one tarot reader to the other. Now, the reason why people hop from one tarot reader to the other is they want to test the tarot reader. इसने सही बोला कि इसने सही बोला. How do you know that इसने सही बोला कि उसने सही बोला? As per the client, that's what I hear from people is they say that because ये टैरो रीडर ने मुझे बहुत पॉजिटिव आंसर दिया कि यस, ये तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड तुमसे शादी करेगा या तुम्हारी सैलरी हाइक 1 लाख से 2 लाख होने वाली है. यू ओनली वांट टू लिसन टू द गुड थिंग्स. देन यू डिफाइन द टैरो रीडर कि ये अच्छा है और ये अच्छा नहीं है. सो डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज वी आर नॉट सिटिंग हियर टू शुगर कोट. Don't go to somebody who's sugarcoating and who's just trying to make you feel happy, because in the bargain you will cry. Okay, so these are certain things that I wanted to tell you all, because these things are very common in tarot reading. In on the social media platforms, every second person is a tarot reader. Always go to trusted sources. If you get a reference, that is even better. But even if you're going unknowingly, just be very careful, because I know of tarot readers who sit in malls or who sit in exhibitions, and my clients have been cheated. They have paid 1 1 2 2 lakhs to these readers, and in the return they have got nothing. Okay, so be very careful. In today's world, it is very difficult to earn that 1 lakh. It takes just 1 minute to lose that 1 lakh rupees. So these are some points that I wanted to tell you. Coming to our tarot, so what I am going to teach you all is the Rider-Waite tarot deck. Rider-Waite tarot deck consists of 78 cards. Now this journey of tarot, that is the Socrates journey, you can say, or you can say the Fool's journey, is about the philosopher Socrates, who was he was very keen on making changes in people's life. And based on his story, these cards were made, and very few people know that this story is all about the philosopher Socrates. Even I think on the net, very few places you might get the answers for this. So this journey is also known as the Fool's Journey. Now, many years ago, people used to use these pictorial cards where the pictures and all are there. And they never knew that somewhere these cards have divine powers. They tried to do a lot of research, but the research was failing all the time. Many people, like in Rome, in Italy, in Egypt, in different countries, tried to figure out what these cards are trying to say. So a lot of research was done on these cards. Many names were given to these decks, like Tarocchi, Taroccina. But over a period of time, so like somewhere from around 14th century to about 19th century, a lot of things, a lot of research was made, but nothing concrete came to that. Later in 1901, these cards went to France, and Rider-Waite, W. Rider-Waite, and his colleague Pamela Colman were the ones who actually, Rider-Waite was the one who actually gave descriptions of the cards, and Pamela Colman was one who actually designed the cards with the color schemes, with the images, and with the animals and everything. So after that, W. Rider-Waite made a division of these cards, and he divided the cards actually into two parts, the major arcana and the minor arcana. Major arcana consists of 0 to 21 cards, that is 22 cards. And minor arcana are 76 cards. Okay. So further, to make it more simplified, the minor arcana cards were also divided into like 40 minor cards and 16 core cards. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of major arcana and what is the meaning of minor arcana? Major arcana means major events in your life. They represent the space element and they talk about the events that are set in stone. That means the events that are going to occur in your life, your birth, your death, your childbirth, your marriage, your accidents, your all those things which are on your fingertips. Like you know that okay, if somebody will ask you your date of birth, if somebody will ask you your marriage date, if somebody will ask you about your major event of your life, you will remember it with the date and time also. So space element is something which cannot be measured. So when we do time predictions with the major arcana cards, it is a little difficult to do predictions with time predictions with major cards. But with thorough practice, we can come to an accuracy on this part also. Now, Socrates, when he was just born till the age of 22, he made a lot of changes. He met different types of people. He experienced major events in his life. That's the reason the major arcana cards are from 0 to 22, from the time he was born till the time he was of the age of 22. Minor arcana are cards which are 76. So minor events that happened in his life till the age of 76 are the minor arcana cards. In total, if you add them, they come up to, sorry, I'm talking about the minor cards are 56. I'm sorry, 56 and 22. They come to 78 cards. So that way, what happened, what minor events happened in Socrates' life at the age of 56 is described in the cards. Okay, so that way, if you add these cards, they come up to 78 cards. Now, 70 at the age of 78, what were the turning points in Socrates' life is also explained. Now, major cards basically are when they come in a reading. Now, if you're doing a reading and if many major cards are coming in your reading, that means you can tell your client that there are going to be major turning points in your life. Major events will happen. They can be good, they can be bad, depending on which cards are coming in your reading. Now, coming to card number 1, we have the Fool's card. Now, this is the Fool's journey where the journey begins with 0. Now, when you are born as 0, right? You don't know your identity, whether you are a millionaire, you're born in a rich family, you're born in a poor family. You have come into this world taking the leap of faith. Okay, you have entered the world. Now, many challenges are going to come into your life. They can be good, they can be bad. But if you trust your instincts, if you trust the universe, this universe will definitely guide you to move forward and also help you to understand that there is going to be danger in front of you. You need to stop. So, in this card, if you see, this person is taking the leap of faith, he's taking the risk and going forward. But suddenly, there is a dog who comes and who warns him that he might fall if he goes a little further. So, what is this card trying to teach us? That as newcomers in this life, we want to explore a lot of things, but somewhere we don't know whether we are going in the right direction. We want to try, कभी धोखा भी मिलता है, कभी success भी मिलती है. Now, suppose you want to learn driving, okay? Now, you will obviously on the first day you're not going to drive well. So you will just take the leap of faith. You will try to drive. You try to understand what the driver is teaching you. At the same time, the driver will definitely put a brake when he knows that you're going to meet with an accident. Okay. So someone is there to guide you. even though you're absolutely new in this life. Okay, so what does this card mean in terms of health? In terms of health, this person is a little careless, he's a risk taker, and usually at times he's saved by his family or friends, and he can definitely come out of a difficult situation. In terms of business and work, he's just taking the leap of faith. He's a risk taker. He's taking up that job or business without any knowledge. Okay. In terms of love relationship, he's just going for that partner, just going in that relationship without knowing anything about that girl or boy. Okay. So taking the leap of faith, trusting the universe, trusting your instincts, and going forward. Now, the stick in his hand represents the support that he needs in this life. And this bag that he's carrying is the gifts that he has got from the universe. He is yet to open this and explore what natural abilities God has given him. Okay. But before that, he's a risk taker. Till now, he has not explored his potential, but in spite of that, he wants to go ahead and explore the world. Okay. So, this is a person who takes quick decisions in life without planning. He's just going. Suppose if somebody says, will I travel this year? So, you'll say, yes, you'll definitely travel this year, but it is going to be very sudden and it is going to be very unplanned. Okay, so these people sometimes they don't even pack their bags, they just take a bag and then they just quickly put two, three clothes and they drive their car and just go wherever they want. They don't even know the destination, they have not done any hotel bookings, nothing. Okay, very impromptu and very sudden plans, and they just happen to be successful by chance. Okay, आप गए, आपने एक्सप्लोर किया, आप ऐसे ही कोई जगह पे गए, आपने कोई गेम खेली और आप जीत गए, आपने सोचा भी नहीं था कि आप ये गेम जीतने वाले हो. ओके, सो सडनली समथिंग कैन हैपन टू यू, सडनली यू जस्ट ट्राई समथिंग एंड यू, वो बोलते हैं ना, तुक्के से लग गया और वो आगे बढ़ गया. ओके, सो दीज पीपल जस्ट मूव फॉरवर्ड इन लाइफ, तुक्के से आगे चले जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ these mountains over here, they also talk about the hardships. Even though you have come in this world, you will face certain hardships in your life, but with the faith in the universe, you'll surpass all the difficulties of your life. Okay. Now, in reverse, what happens is we are going to learn, if you're taking the professional course, you're also going to learn the reverse cards. Also, one more thing I forgot to tell you, the sun is shining bright, so there is a new beginning in his life. In reverse, things usually get delayed. From fool, he'll become a foolish person, taking risky decisions which are advised that he shouldn't be doing. For example, if you have a knee issue, your doctor has told you not to climb a mountain and you're still going and climbing the mountain and you break your knee. Okay. So, in spite of the warnings, you still go and do certain things which are risky for you. So, here in the reverse, it means that you should not take any kind of decisions which are coming out of the blue. Always take calculated risks. Do not take the leap of faith and do not start anything new right now. Okay. So these are the things which you will tell your client if a reverse card comes in your reading. Now, people ask me कि reverse cards आते कैसे? Now, when you keep the cards in your deck, sometimes while shuffling, कभी कोई कार्ड गिर गया, रखते रखते उल्टा आ गया, तो कभी कभी कार्ड्स खुद भी उल्टे हो जाते हैं. कोई कोई मेरे स्टूडेंट्स डेलिबरेटली ऐसे मिक्स करके उल्टे फुल्टे करते हैं, because they have, if they are experienced readers, then they mix the cards, sama ulta, sama sida. Okay, so accordingly, if you're very very confident, then only start reading the reverse cards. But in initial stage, I would recommend you all to only do upright cards. Okay. Now coming to card number 1 is the Magician card. Now what did this fool do? he opened this bag which the universe has given him, and on the table, when he opened the bag, he found that there are four elements. Which are the four elements? One is water, one is fire, one is air, and one is earth. The fifth element is what? The space element, which these cards comprise of. Now, when a person has all the elements in him, he is super powerful, right? मतलब काम दाम दंड भेद से ये कुछ भी कर सकता है. Have you seen in your family sometimes or your friends? They are multi-talented. They can do plumbing work, they can do electric work, they can repair a sofa, they can stitch a cloth, they can make anything. Like they can cook, they can drive, they can do everything. They are like a magician. They can do anything. You tell them and they'll do it. Like I have a friend, whenever I go to a house, she'll say, अरे ये मशीन खराब हो रही है, रुक 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 मैं अपने हस्बैंड से बनवाती हूँ. फिर लाइट ट्रिप हो गई तो उसके हस्बैंड ने ठीक किया. एक कुर्सी टूट गई, उसके हस्बैंड ने मेंड कर दी. खाना बना के रख दिया. सो मल्टी टैलेंटेड. सो मैजिशियन क्या बोलता है? कार्ड नंबर 1 विच इज रूल्ड बाय सन. सन की जो क्वालिटीज हैं वो हमको इसमें डालनी है. वे सन इज शाइनिंग ब्राइट ऑन यू. नेम, फेम, सक्सेस, प्रॉस्पेरिटी, अबंडेंस सब इसके पास आएगी क्योंकि ये इसके पास सब टैलेंट्स है. Okay. Now, sometimes, what happens is like when I was small, uh, I used to sometimes fail in 2 3 subjects, especially maths and Marathi. तो मैं fail होती ही थी. मैं खुद अपने मुंह से बोल रही हूँ. तो my father was very strict and he used to always tell my mom कि ये लड़की 10th भी पढ़ लेना तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. So I used to get so scared because I used to tell my mom, you sign. So she used to say, no, 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 report card only Papa will sign. So my father used to come home late and after 10:30, 11, he used to feel very tired. He used to remove his specs and he used to almost go to sleep. And from the time he used to come till the time he used to sleep, I used to be extra sweet to him, giving him everything in his hand, giving him, whatever he wants. And then even the specs I used to remove and keep it aside. And then my report card used to come out and I used to say, oh, Dad, I'm so sorry. I forgot to tell you to sign. तो ही यूज्ड टू से बेटा चश्मा तो दे. ऐसे अभी चश्मा छोड़ो ना, यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर ये बॉक्स है, यहाँ पर आप अपनी शॉर्ट साइन कर लो. This is how I managed to get his signatures on most of my report cards because I knew that, if he would, when he was like awake or when he was like in full senses, he would never sign my report card. So ये ऐसे होते हैं बंदे जो अपनी ट्रिक्स से अपना काम करवा देते हैं. Now, cup means with his emotions. Okay, wand means with his effort. Then sword means with his communication and wit. And pentacle means being down to earth element, using your earth element, and then getting your work done. Okay, so this person is very tricky and he can do any kind of work, he can get any kind of work done from you. There is name, fame, success, prosperity in his life. तोरण है, that means तोरण हम कब लगाते हैं? जब हमारे लाइफ में celebration moments आते हैं. So नीचे you can see there are plants growing, which means there is growth, and yellow color talks about prosperity and abundance. So there is growth, prosperity, abundance. Red talks about knowledge and passion. White talks about purity of soul. The wand represents it is pointing towards the sky, which means that he's very good at manifestation. One hand below says that he's maintaining the balance of give and take. Universe से ले रहा है और नीचे दुनिया को दे रहा है. So how is this person going to be as a life partner? If this question comes to you, this rishta has come for me, and how is he going to be in my life? So what will you say? You can always be communicative. You all can put your cameras on. You can talk to me. You can discuss the cards with me. It's going to be more fun rather than just me going on talking. Okay. So according to you, okay, let's take Kartiki. Do you think he can be a good businessman? Kartiki, do you think he can be a good businessman?
Yes.
Definitely. Nishma, do you think he's a very devoted husband in the relationship?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
See, now magician है, okay? Magician tricks करते हैं ना, cheat भी
Yes.
करते हैं. So in a relationship, only if the question is, do you think my partner is cheating on me? Only when the person is asking, okay? Otherwise, don't throw the bomb on him and say कि ए तुम्हारा husband cheater है या तुम्हारी wife cheater है. अगर कहीं कोई मतलब हस्बैंड अभी ये लड़का दिखा है, इट कैन बी अ गर्ल आल्सो, ओके. सो इफ अ गर्ल इज आस्किंग डू यू थिंक माय हस्बैंड और माय बॉयफ्रेंड इज चीटिंग ऑन मी, देन द आंसर इज यस, बिकॉज दिस पर्सन कैन फूल यू, ही कैन चीट ऑन यू, बिकॉज ही इज अ मैजिशियन, ही कैन डू एनीथिंग. ये एक टाइम पे चार लड़कियों को भी घुमाएगा तो भी उसकी वाइफ को पता नहीं चलेगा. इन टर्म्स ऑफ हेल्थ, Bhushan, what do you think? How's this card in terms of health?
I think he's an all-rounder, so he'll have some idea that he can manage anything and everything.
100%. He's an all-rounder. तो ये इमोशनली भी अपने आप को ठीक रखता है, फिजिकली भी ठीक रखता है, एफर्ट भी डालता है, कम्युनिकेशन में भी अच्छा है. तो ही कैन डेफिनेटली फिगर आउट कि अगर मुझे कोई इशू है तो मैं इसको कैसे सॉल्व करूंगा, मैं खुद ही फिगर आउट कर दूंगा. ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज द एनर्जीज ऑफ नंबर वन विच इज सन. सन में से हमको क्या मिलता है? विटामिन डी. तो गुड विटामिन डी लेवल्स, वाइटैलिटी बहुत अच्छी है, ब्राइटनेस है उसके फेस पे, दैट मीन्स स्किन इश्यूज, स्किन अच्छी है, आईसाइट अच्छी है, बोन हेल्थ अच्छी है, everything is good about him. Sun power is very high. If you know little bit about astrology, सूर्य उच्च का है. सूर्य उच्च का है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स इसको बहुत हाई एंड मिलेंगे, बिकॉज सूर्य डिनोट्स योर गवर्नमेंट. ओके, सो ओनली बाय नोइंग अबाउट द प्लैनेट, you just take into consideration the planet. सन है, सन क्या देता है? ईगो देता है, फ्रेंडली होता है, दूसरों को हेल्प करता है, दूसरों को लाइट देता है, अच्छी हेल्थ देता है, विटामिन डी अच्छी देता है, स्किन अच्छी देता है, आईसाइट अच्छी देता है. देन इट मेक्स योर इट मेक्स यू ब्राइट एंड वाइब्रेंट, इट गिव्स यू गुड एनर्जी. सो मेनी क्वालिटीज ऑफ सन. डाल दो ये कार्ड में, तो ये पर्सन के पास इतनी सारी क्वालिटीज हैं. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ रिवर्स हो गया. क्या हो गया इसको? सन नीच का हो गया. नीच का सन क्या देता है? खोखला, घमंड. यहाँ पर ये वंस अपॉन अ टाइम बहुत अच्छा मैजिशियन था, यहाँ पर आउटडेटेड हो गया. यहाँ पर घमंड तो है लेकिन यहाँ पर कोई इसको पूछता नहीं है, बिकॉज ये आउटडेटेड है. हेल्थ इश्यूज आएंगे, विटामिन डी लो हो जाएगा, वाइब्रेंट और जो ब्राइट स्किन है वो डल हो जाएगी, आईसाइट इश्यूज आ जाएंगे, चश्मा आ जाएगा. इसका ईगो रहेगा लेकिन कोई काम का नहीं रहेगा. नेम फेम सक्सेस लेट मिलेगा, सेलिब्रेशन मोमेंट्स चले गए उसके लाइफ से. पीपल विल नॉट लाइक हिम द वे यूज्ड टू लाइक हिम. इट्स लाइक जो पहले टाइम के हीरोज थे, गोविंदा था, ये जैकी श्रॉफ था, वो टाइम पे उनका टाइम. बट आज के डेट में कोई उनको रोल देता है? कोई उनको वही हीरो का रोल मिलता है? नहीं. वो टाइप की इनकम मिलती है? नहीं. उनका जो डिमांड है वो नीचे हो जाता है. ओके, सो just put the qualities of the planet, you will be able to give bang on answers. Okay, who can tell me what is the meaning of infinity? Anybody from here? Ruchi, what do you mean by infinity? What does the infinity sign signify?
Unlimited power.
Okay, very good. Rahul?
Never ending.
Okay, very good. Anybody? You can just participate. Just feel free. Just be with the flow. Like you'll enjoy the class. Kartiki?
Positivity.
Okay, Bhushan.
Yeah, unlimited, infinite, like no end.
Okay. Nishma.
endless,
Okay. Now today I will teach you a new meaning for the infinity sign. Infinity sign sleeping position में 8 नंबर है, right? अब इसको सीधा कर दो तो ये 8 नंबर हो गया which is going up and down, up and down, up and down. With constant up and down in your life, constant up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. आप कोई कॉन्स्टेंटली चीज करोगे सपोज यू आर अ टेलर ओके और आप कॉन्स्टेंटली 10 साल से कोई ड्रेस सी रहे हो लाइक से यू आर डूइंग वेस्टर्न क्लोथ्स व्हाट विल हैपन आफ्टर 10 years यू विल बिकम परफेक्ट ओके so infinity sign is trying to say with constant efforts with constant practice there comes a time where this 8 number rests like this. Okay. So when it rests, it is trying to say that you have got that stability now and you have achieved success with constant ups and downs. So infinity always tries to say whenever you see infinity sign, try to understand that ये बंदा constant up and down के बाद perfection लाया है और ये परफेक्शन इसको बहुत इनफाइनाइट सक्सेस देने वाली why the infinity sign is number 8 because number 8 represents शनि and शनि जो आपको दे सकता है ना it gives you stability in every aspect of your life in your relationship in your finances in everywhere so infinite success comes to those who constantly never give up and do that up and down in their life. That is the meaning of infinity sign. So infinity sign ऐसे ही नहीं मिलती है 8 नंबर शनि वाला नंबर है आपको ऊपर नीचे भगाएगा उसके बाद आपको परमानेंट स्टेबिलिटी देता है दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ infinity sign. Okay. So whenever you see an infinity sign on any of the cards, you know that ये person ने पापड़ बेले हैं. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
that
I have a doubt before you
yeah,
move on to the next card.
yes, yes.
You, in the second example, you said whether this person who gets this card is a devoted husband or not, right? So now the card's abilities are is that this person is a good communicator, मतलब चंट बोल सकते हैं, tricks करता है, right? So these are all this person's abilities, but whether ये इंसान actual में cheat कर रहा है कि नहीं, वो कैसा पता चलेगा?
देखो अगर
Yeah.
अभी क्या होता है कि कभी कभी है ना आपके पार्टनर को नाउ सपोज पर्सन ए इज चीटिंग ओके नाउ पर्सन बी इज हिज वाइफ नाउ पर्सन बी living with him all the time somewhere she can have a doubt on him sometimes you are living with a cheater for many years but you don't know he's a cheater in that case, if this card is coming in a reading, even though you don't know that your husband or your wife is cheating on you, somewhere they have that flirtatious nature होता है इनका तो पीछे ही पीछे छुप के ये लोग कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे होते हैं नाउ इन द अपराइट कार्ड अगर मैंने बोल भी दिया कि आपका पार्टनर चीटर है चीट कर रहा है आप उसको पकड़ ही नहीं पाओगे
Oh,
आप इसको नहीं पकड़ पाओगे इवन सपोज नाउ माय फ्रेंड्स हस्बैंड इज चीटिंग आई गो एंड आई टेल हर दैट योर हस्बैंड आई सॉ हिम हियर और मुझे ऐसे पता चला है वो बहुत कोशिश करेगी उसके पीछे डिटेक्टिव भी लगाएगी ना तो उसको नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे
okay.
सो दिस पर्सन हैज अ फ्लर्टेशियस नेचर ये कर भी रहा होगा ना तो भी उसकी वाइफ को या हस्बैंड को नहीं पता चलेगा ये पकड़ा ही नहीं जाएगा और अगर
Oh,
बाय चांस पकड़ा भी गया ना इस ये ही हैज ऑल दीज क्वालिटीज ये कैसे ना कैसे बाहर आ जाएगा इसे पागल है क्या मैं तो ऐसे ही बात कर रहा था वो लड़की से ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तू कुछ भी कर ले तू फाइंड आउट कर मेरा वो लड़की के साथ कोई चक्कर नहीं है
okay.
so
Okay.
somehow they are very tricky they are very smart in you know, giving out their reasons, their they just get away with whatever comes their way. Like even if the
So,
wife is like giving 100% proof कि नहीं मैं मुझे पता है, he will not admit.
so I think, ma'am, more tarot is like giving an idea or prediction that this is a possibility that card
Yes,
has come. So you can't
yes.
just be 100% sure. Like you're saying, there are chances. But again, if he gets caught, then yes, it will be proof. If he doesn't get caught, because he's very tricky. So
Yes,
as a
yes. So
client,
that
you have to
it's like
answer
a
that.
warning to the client.
Uh,
A warning to the client. अभी अगर कोई बोलेगा कि मुझे एक रिश्ता है, ये मतलब लड़का है और मेरी इसकी मेरी पेरेंट्स सोच रहे हैं इससे शादी करने के लिए. See, overall everything is good looking guy, talented guy, has all the qualities. He's rich, he's famous, he's got celebration moments in his life, name, fame, success, सब कुछ है. बट यू कैन ऑल्सो टेल द क्लाइंट कि लिसन, इतना टैलेंटेड बंदा, इतना गुड लुकिंग बंदा, तो थोड़ा सा just be mindful because many girls, many girls will be after him. He's a very attractive guy. देखो सूर्य का पावर है, ऊर्जा बहुत है, गुड लुक्स है, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी वेरी गुड इन हिम. So there are very high chances that he could be flirting or he could be having other relationships. Just find out about him, इसका survey करो और फिर go ahead with him. बाकी all the qualities are very good about this guy. Okay? तो कहीं ना कहीं इसका ये एक मुझे दिख रहा है कि possibility है कि ये सब कर रहा है. You can always say it in a nice way. Don't put that shock in that person कि अरे ये तो cheater है, ये तो womanizer है और ये ऐसे 10 लड़कियों को घुमाता है. Don't say that. Just give a suggestion. Just warn the client कि there is a possibility कि ऐसा हो सकता है. तो she'll say, herself will say. जब ऐसे कार्ड्स आएंगे ना, आप उनका पार्टनर खुद ही आपको बोलेगा कि हाँ मुझे पता है इसको बहुत लड़कियां मैसेज करती है, इसके इंस्टाग्राम पे भी. उसकी पार्टनर ऑटोमेटिकली शक्की हो जाएगी. You just see, when you learn these cards, you will automatically understand that the partner is doubting on him or her. Okay. सो इन रिवर्स इसकी सब चोरियां पकड़ी जाएगी. इसके मैसेजेस हो सकता है पकड़े जाएंगे, या ये कहीं खड़ा है वो लड़की के साथ पकड़ा जाएगा, या इसका कुछ टेलीफोनिक कॉन्वर्जेशन पकड़ा जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ इसकी यहाँ पर बैंड बज जाएगी. ओके. एनी अदर डाउट्स विद दिस कार्ड?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll do one more card and then we'll do a little bit of minor cards. Okay.
Lavina, so do we need to remember like these are major cards and these are minor cards? Like, how do we identify as a beginner, especially?
Okay. So now in the major cards, that's a good question you asked. Okay. In the major card, the planet number is written 1. Okay. And the name of that character is also written.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
This is how you'll identify that this is a major card. The
Okay.
number and name of the character. For example, अभी जैसे ये 0 था, तो 0 was fool. Now 2 number is ruled by moon. Okay. So planet आ गया and नीचे ये लेडी का नाम आ गया, high priestess.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is how you'll remember that these are major cards. Now in
Okay.
minor cards क्या होगा? Now suppose we are doing pentacle cards. तो इसमें pentacles दिख जाएंगे, बट यहाँ पर नाम नहीं है उसका, सिर्फ
Hmm.
नंबर है 10. तो this card will be named as 10 of pentacles.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
तो जो भी माइनर कार्ड्स होंगे उसमें उसके एलिमेंट्स दिखाई देंगे. जैसे ये पेंटिकल है तो ये पेंटिकल दिखाई देगा. जैसे अभी समझ लो ये वॉन्ड है, फायर एलिमेंट, तो उसमें वॉन्ड, वहां एक ही वॉन्ड दिख रही है, एस. एस इज 1, नंबर 1. सो एस ऑफ वॉन्ड. Okay. So this is
Hmm.
how you will be able to understand that these are major cards. Then कोर्ट कार्ड्स में ऐसे आएंगे, नाम लिख के आएगा, किंग, क्वीन, ऐसे नाम लिख के आएंगे, इसमें नंबर्स नहीं है। तो these are court.
Okay.
Court cards means what? Other people in your life. King, queen, page, knights. ऐसे
Okay.
when we'll do the course, everything will be segregated and taught to you in a very perfect way. Okay. So coming to this card number 2. Card number 2 is ruled by moon. 2 number moon से represent होता है. Now moon को light कहाँ से मिलती है? Come on, give me the answers.
Sun से.
Very good. So moon is a passive planet. Passive है क्योंकि वो actively कौन है? Active कौन है? Sun active है और ये passive हो गया. Passive means ये खुद के light पे नहीं जीता, ये sun के light से जीता. Okay. So moon becomes very passive. Moon becomes very dependent on other people for its life. Like कुछ suggestion चाहिए, they live in duality. 2 number है ना, तो यहाँ पर एक बैलेंस बना हुआ है, एक ब्लैक एक व्हाइट. अभी ये जो हाई प्रीस्टेस है, ये एक थ्रोन पे बैठी है, एक चेयर पे बैठी है, जहां पर ये अपना एक यिंग एंड यांग एनर्जी को बैलेंस कर रही है. व्हाट डज दैट मीन? शी इज ट्राइंग टू से फ्रॉम दिस कार्ड that nothing in this world is completely white or completely black. We all possess the qualities of black and white. If Bhushan is a very nice guy, definitely he also might be having some flaws in him. Not only Bhushan, all of us, right? We all are good in some way, all are bad in some way. That's how we make karma in our life. Okay. So over here, this high priestess is trying to maintain that balance and trying to tell the world that even though I'm the nun of the church, I am, a very pious personality, but I also possess negative qualities. Okay. So over here, if you see, she is wearing a crown of a moon, full moon, and 2 crescent moons. Okay. नाउ क्राउन चक्र पे आपका चंद्रमा बैठा है, यहाँ पर फुल बैठा है और यहाँ पर क्रेसेंट भी बैठा है. मून पावर इज वेरी हाई. व्हाट डज मून गिव यू? मून गिव्स यू इंट्यूशंस, इट गिव्स यू ड्रीम्स, इट गिव्स यू द पावर टू थिंक ऑफ समथिंग दैट इज अनरियल. ओके. सो यहाँ पर इंट्यूशन पावर इज वेरी हाई बिकॉज क्राउन चक्र इज एक्टिवेटेड. गले में क्रॉस पहना है विच इज शोइंग दैट शी इज सो प्योर एंड गॉड लविंग, गॉड फियरिंग. चंद्रमा पैर पे है. पैर पे चंद्रमा होने का मतलब ये होता है कि टेकिंग इमोशनल स्टेप्स इन हर लाइफ. शी इज नॉट एट ऑल प्रैक्टिकल. शी इज वेरी इमोशनल, वेरी सेंसिटिव and very intuitive. So such people are very good. When your intuition power is good, you become a good tarot reader, astrologer, face reader, anything to do with occult. So 2 numbers, जिसकी भी date of birth 2 है, you can make the best of astrologers, best intuition powers you have. इनको पहले से ही पता चल जाता है कि क्या होने वाला. Okay, anybody who's a 2 number over here?
Ma'am, I am.
How do you feel about yourself, Rahul?
Ma'am, whatever you just told, I completely resonate. Also, I am very attracted to tarot and occult and astrology. And then I realized that's because of my birth date. Many people have told me just what you said, that you should get into something which involves your communication.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I have so many students, so I have taught more than 50 batches. उसमें से you won't believe there are so many corporate people who have left their jobs and have become astrologers or they have become tarot readers.
Yeah.
It's not because their work was not going on fine. It's because your numbers will pull you in this direction.
Yeah.
If you know that every number in your date of birth gets activated at some point of time. Now, suppose you have a number, let's take a birth date which is 4, okay? 4 and उसका जो बाकी नंबर्स हैं वो बहुत ऑकल्ट नंबर्स है. जैसे 3 है, 2 है उसके डेट ऑफ बर्थ में, 8 है उसके डेट ऑफ बर्थ में. बट एज अ नंबर 4, this person, for example, became a builder or he became an engineer. Okay, so that time his number 4 was activated. Now, for many years, he was a builder or an engineer. And suddenly around say like let's take an example कि 35 के एज में वो बहुत सारी भक्ति करने लगा, बहुत सारा माला जाप, मंत्र जाप या माला से जाप कर रहा था. सडनली ही विल start going to the temple. Suddenly he will fast on certain days. Suddenly he will take keen interest in tarot, or he will go to astrologers. क्यों ये हो रहा है? Why the sudden transformation? Like my husband is a number 4, and if you tell him to go to the temple, na, he gets so angry. He'll say कि मैं नहीं चलूंगा. I don't believe in all this idol worship. आज वो ही बंदा मेरे साथ टेम्पल चलता है, मंत्र जाप करता है हजारों, 1,000 times, and he fasts with me every Thursday. It's not because I am into occult and I have told him to do that. He's doing it on his own. He believes in tarot, he believes in astrology, he believes in the remedies. I am matlab awestruck, and my eyes go like wide open when I see him doing that.
I think I have heard that जो non-believer होते हैं initially, ultimately they are the ones who have the capability of being a true believer or they completely change. That's what I've heard.
Yes, it's also because how your numbers are playing a big role. Now इसमें थोड़ा सा न्यूमरोलॉजी भी डालेंगे, तो आपका जैसे 2 नंबर है वो एक्टिवेटेड अगर हमेशा रहा तो आप ये तो करोगे ही करोगे. There are other things also in your life you might do. So some creative work, if you have like a number 3 or something, some creative work you might do, और ये आपके numbers decide करते हैं कि आप लाइफ में क्या करना है. So see, when I am a number 3 and I've always been a teacher. So I was a French language trainer in many like corporate places. I have taught French. I have worked for many colleges, schools. And मेरे लिए like मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं फ्रेंच की दुनिया से बाहर आ सकती हूँ. But slowly, जैसे COVID आया and all, other things happened in my life. I started realizing that, I was going more towards spirituality, and I was doing लाइक आज के डेट में मेरे 2 या 3 मंत्र सिद्ध हो गए मतलब आपने 10 लाख से ऊपर उसको चैंट कर लिया है. एंड आई यूज टू फील फनी व्हेन आई यूज टू सी पीपल माला लेके घूमते रहते थे, एंड आई यूज टू लाइक टेल माय हस्बैंड कि यार ये कैसे करते हैं, ये पंडित लोग कैसे इतना बड़ा बड़ा टीका लगा के बैठते हैं. एंड नाउ ऑन थर्सडेज, ऑन सर्टेन डेज यू विल सी कि मेरे इधर येलो टीका लगा हुआ है, एंड ही माय हस्बैंड टेल्स मी कि देख ये सब तू भी कर रही है अभी. So it's all, your numbers, they play, your planets, they play a very big role in your life. So the reason that you are there in this tarot demo class is somewhere you are driven towards maybe tarot or occult, or something is pulling you towards this field. Whether you join or you don't join, I don't care. I don't run behind anybody. आपको आना है, जिसके जिसके नसीब में लिखा है कि आपको मुझसे पढ़ना है, आप पढ़ोगे ही पढ़ोगे. ये डेमो क्लास इसके लिए नहीं है कि वो 100% आपको ज्वाइन करना है. यू टेक एन आइडिया एज टू हाउ दीज थिंग्स वर्क, व्हाई यू आर हियर, व्हाई यू वांट टू लर्न दिस, वेयर इट कैन टेक यू. I was very young. I think I was only 25 or 26 when I got to know about tarot and all. Of course, it was not at all popular that time. But I was always curious to learn. I was always curious to understand my Kundali. I used to sit with my astrologer and try to understand why this thing is happening in my life. Of course, that was only to the curiosity level, but very much later, I dived into it. I learned from many, many tarot readers, many astrologers, many numerologists. I went to US. I also took up courses over there. Also did a lot of exhibitions in US and Dubai. That's how I evolved as a person. And I learned many other modalities. So, combining all these modalities, you get to at least know your answers. Like now also I'm doing level 2 astrology. I'm just trying to understand my Kundali as to why this thing is happening in my life. I like to dive deep inside and understand that ये planet यहाँ क्यों बैठा है, and if you know your Kundali is not about your present life, your Kundali is designed as per your karmas of your past life. So if a particular planet is sitting in a house, it is because you have done that karma in the past life, और इसकी वजह से आपको ये अच्छा मिल रहा है, अच्छे पैसे मिल रहे हैं, या अच्छी किस्मत मिल रही है, अच्छे माँ बाप मिल रहे हैं. ओके, सो एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन योर पास्ट लाइफ कर्मा. अभी भी ये लाइफ में आप जो कर्मा कर रहे हो, इसके रिजल्ट्स आपको नेक्स्ट लाइफ में मिलेंगे. ओके, सो मैं कहाँ से कहाँ चली गई. सो कमिंग टू दिस हाई प्रीस्टेस, शी इज अ पैसिव पर्सन, शी इज अ वेरी सीक्रेटिव पर्सन. हाउ डू यू नो शी इज सीक्रेटिव? एक तो एकदम मतलब ऑकल्ट की रानी है ये, इसको सब कुछ पता है, इंटरनली इसको सब ज्ञान है, वेरी नॉलेजेबल, वेरी इंट्यूटिव, अपने इंट्यूशन से काम करती है. बैकग्राउंड में अगर हम देखेंगे, पोमोग्रेनेट्स है, पोमोग्रेनेट्स आर क्लोज्ड. जब पोमोग्रेनेट बंद होता है, मुट्ठी जब बंद होती है, दैट मीन्स सीक्रेट्स अंदर रहती है. पोमोग्रेनेट बंद होने का मतलब है शी इज वेरी सीक्रेटिव. ओके, and she will never leak out your secrets. Now, if you go to this tarot reader or this astrologer, she will never or he will never leak out your secrets to any third person. So you can keep your secrets with her. Okay. Now, if this card comes for marriage, अगर कोई आया मेरे पास और उसने बोला कि मेरे पास कोई रिश्ता आया है और ये लड़की, फोटो दिखाया, ये लड़की है और इससे मेरी शादी के लिए सब सोच रहे हैं. Now, this girl, even if she's a 18-year-old or your 21-year-old, अगर ये लड़की है, एक तो बहुत ही स्पिरिचुअल है कि नहीं? बहुत स्पिरिचुअल है, नन ऑफ द चर्च है. नन्स कभी भी शादी करती है? कभी नहीं शादी करती है. तो इनको वो जो मतलब इनके इनके साथ आप कोई भी बात करोगे ना, लाइक एनीथिंग विच इज वल्गर और लाइक सेक्सुअलिटी के बारे में या किसी के भी बारे में बात करेंगे ना, they will feel shy and walk away. They will not talk to you. Okay. So if this rishta has come to this guy, you have to tell him that, see, एक तो भले वो कितनी भी छोटी हो, बहुत बड़ा सोचती है, बहुत ज्ञानी है, बहुत नॉलेजेबल है, बहुत भगवान की बंदी है, और सेक्स लाइफ में इसको बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहेगा. She will talk all the time about the divine books and the divine things in her life. So if you feel that such a person, अगर वो बंदा भी ऐसा ही है, religious है, spiritual है, उन दोनों की बहुत बने. But if the boy is like happening and going for parties and all, then this is not at all a good match for him. Okay, तो आपको qualities बतानी है ये कार्ड की. Then let the guy decide whether this girl will be okay with him or not. Okay. In reverse, what will happen? पोमोग्रेनेट्स खुल जाएंगे, सीक्रेट्स रिवील हो जाएगी, इंट्यूशन पावर लो हो जाएगा, लाइक शी विल नॉट ट्रस्ट हर इंट्यूशंस. ओके, शी विल बिकम ओवर सेंसिटिव एंड ओवर कंप्लेनिंग, क्योंकि पोमोग्रेनेट का मुंह खुल गया है ना, तो ऑल द टाइम शी विल बी ओनली कंप्लेनिंग. ओके, spiritual powers, even though she's a tarot reader or she's an astrologer. Now, suppose she is doing your reading, she'll say, but still, I would like you to consult another reader also. Okay, आप कोई और एस्ट्रोलॉजर से भी एक ले लो, सलाह ले लो. जैसे कोई डॉक्टर होता है, आपकी ट्रीटमेंट कर रहा है, फिर वो बोलेगा कि ये ट्रीटमेंट तो मैं दे रहा हूँ, बट फिर भी आप एक सेकेंड ओपिनियन ले लो. तो इन रिवर्स दे डोंट ट्रस्ट देयर वर्ड, जो वो बोलते हैं तो उसको वो ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं. ओके, एनी डाउट्स ऑन दिस कार्ड? ओके, मुझे बताओ ये बिजनेस में कैसा रहेगा ये कार्ड, अगर ये बिजनेस के लिए कार्ड आया? एनीबडी?
Not good,
नॉट
I
गुड.
think. Yeah.
ओके, एनीबडी एल्स? नॉट गुड.
Secretive.
सॉरी.
Secretive.
ओके, बट अच्छा है कि नहीं बिजनेस के लिए?
I think it can be good because they will keep the business secret and
Yeah,
it's
it's a
not
good
there.
card. It's a good card because she's sitting on the throne. एक पोजीशन पे बैठी है. अगर मैंने किसी को थ्रोन पे बिठाया है तो मैंने सोच समझ के उसको बिठाया. ओके, सो शी कैन बी वेरी गुड इन डिटेक्टिव फर्म्स, जहां पर वो सीक्रेट्स रखेगी, पुलिस में, फिर एस्ट्रोलॉजी, ये सब चीजों में जहां पर हम ओथ लेते हैं कि अगर हम आप किसी की रीडिंग कर रहे हैं, वी विल नॉट रिवील द सीक्रेट्स टू एनीवन। तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी की फील्ड में बिजनेस, कोई भी इन ऑकल्ट के बिजनेस में, कोई भी डिटेक्टिव्स, कोई भी सीक्रेट एजेंसीज, इन सब में ये बहुत अच्छा रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं। ओके,
I'm one doubt.
बोलो।
Because number two are not decision makers. They are very confused personalities. I'm saying this because I am number two and I understand कि मैं भी बहुत confused रहता हूँ, ये करना है कि ये करना है, ये लूँ या ये नहीं लूँ। तो that way business में काफी on point decisions लेने पड़ते हैं without thinking of anything or anyone else. वो एबिलिटी नंबर टू के पास है ही नहीं, तो हाउ कैन नंबर टू बी अ गुड फिट फॉर बिजनेस?
See, उसके रिलेटेड आप प्रोफेशंस लो। अगर मैं एक ऑकल्ट वाली बंदी हूँ, ओके, आप मुझे कोई इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड में नहीं डाल सकते क्योंकि
राइट।
मेरा दिमाग ही नहीं चलेगा। आई डोंट हैव द इंजीनियरिंग माइंड। सो ये पर्सन जो है, ये ऐसे ही प्रोफेशंस चूज करेगी जहां पर उसको डिसीजन मेकिंग लेना ही नहीं पड़ेगा।
हम्म।
ये वो
ओके।
काम करेगी जहां इंट्यूशन बेस्ड डिसीजंस लेने पड़ेंगे। So she
ओके।
herself will only enter those fields which are where she'll feel that comfort. Like अभी मैं टैरो में बहुत कंफर्टेबल हूँ, बट अगर आज मुझे किसी ने कहीं ऐसे फील्ड में डाल दिया जहां पर मुझे मैथमेटिक्स करना पड़ेगा, जहां पर मुझे कैलकुलेशंस करनी पड़ेगी, आई एम अ टोटल मिसफिट।
ओके।
Okay, so choose your professions wisely. Then you'll be the best at it. Now, if you,
राइट।
what do you do, Rahul?
मैम, आई एम अ सीए एंड आई एम करंटली लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब।
Okay. So now CA में क्या है कि अगर जैसे he's a number two, but he might have other numbers. What is your date of birth?
2nd October 97।
Okay, it's 2 1 2 10.
ए टू है। मूलांक और भाग्यांक दोनों टू है।
Oh my God.
हाँ।
तो दोनों टू है. So this field is going to be excellent for you in future. I'm telling you, you'll land up here only. Even if you're
इन
doing,
टैरो।
yeah, in tarot, astrology बहुत अच्छा होता है number two वालों के लिए, because 2 numbers and 8 numbers are best in astrology.
ओ ओके।
Yeah, but anything related to occult, छापोगे पैसा.
ओके।
Okay. Now अगर he is doing his CA में number 1 activated है अभी राहुल का. नंबर 1 इज सूर्य आपको तेज बुद्धि देता है टू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स या टू डू विथ नंबर्स. तो ये चीज में 1 इज एक्टिवेटेड, बट जैसे जैसे ही ग्रो ओल्डर, नंबर 2 एब्सोल्युटली ये हो जाएगा एक्टिवेट ना. ऐसे नहीं है कि 2 अभी एक्टिवेटेड नहीं है. 2 में अगर एक्टिवेशन होता है तो इनडिसाइसिवनेस, डिपेंडिंग ऑन अदर पीपल फॉर देयर डिसीजंस, ये होगा
या
उसके लाइफ में.
या करेक्ट।
That is there. He's very indecisive.
या आई एम।
But if suppose you trust somebody, you take any advice from, say, like your father, you trust him, you'll do well because you have that trust factor.
हम्म।
But on your own, taking the decision कि मुझे ये करना है वो करना है, is little difficult for number 2 people
राइट।
because they somewhere doubt their own decisions.
करेक्ट।
है ना? So यहाँ पर देखो, आई टेल यू वन मोर थिंग कि जब भी आप आपके नंबर्स से रिलेटेड, आपकी जो भी मूलांक भाग्यांक है उससे रिलेटेड अगर आप प्रोफेशंस करते हो ना, तो आपको ज्यादा अर्निंग्स की पॉसिबिलिटी होती है. नाउ इफ यू गो टू सी, राहुल इज डूइंग समथिंग व्हिच इज अगेंस्ट हिज मूलांक एंड भाग्यांक. ही इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी इसको कनेक्ट नहीं करती है. बट द डे व्हेन ही विल लर्न दीज थिंग्स, क्योंकि इसने वो 2 नंबर को एक्टिवेट कर दिया, अपने मूलांक और भाग्यांक को जब आप एक्टिवेट करते हो ना, तब आप और ज्यादा अपनी कुंडली को एक्टिवेट कर देते हो.
ओके।
सो दैट्स वेयर आई एम राइटिंग एंड गिविंग यू द डे यू विल बिकम द बेस्ट एस्ट्रोलॉजर और टैरो रीडर, वट एवर यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन,
या
you will make more money than what you're making in your CA.
ओके।
I will write and give you that.
Okay. I am considering getting into astrology and occult.
सी देखो, मैं एक चीज हमेशा समझती हूँ कि आपका कोई भी प्रोफेशन हो, आपका पैशन या आपके जो नंबर से आपको अट्रैक्शन होता है ना, कोई भी चीज में, कभी फैशन डिजाइनिंग में भी हो सकता है, इंटीरियर में हो सकता है, कोई भी फील्ड में होता है, उसको प्लीज फॉलो करो।
ओके।
क्योंकि वैसे वो तरह से आप अपने नंबर्स को एक्टिवेट करते हो और वो नंबर आपको बेनिफिट देता है,
राइट।
और दैट कैन बिकम योर पैसिव इनकम ऑल्सो, एंड दैट कैन बिकम योर एक्टिव इनकम इन फ्यूचर।
यस।
Tarot was my passive income when I was teaching in colleges. मैं ऐसे ही अपना डेक लेके घूमती थी कॉलेजेस में भी, और कभी छुप के, लाइक पता है कि अभी ये यहाँ पर कोई आने नहीं वाला, हम लोग क्लास का दरवाजा बंद करके मैं पूरे क्लास का टैरो करती।
ओके।
तो इतना मजा आता था, एंड आई नेवर न्यू, आई यूज्ड टू डू इट फॉर फन, मतलब मैं सीखी थी जस्ट, और फिर मस्ती मजाक में। एंड आज भी आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स, ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम स्वामी विवेकानंद कॉलेज, दे स्टिल कॉल मी फॉर रीडिंग्स, एंड दे आर शॉक्ड कि मैं ये फुल टाइम कर रही हूँ। मैंने सब कुछ छोड़ दिया, मैंने आई वाज टीचिंग इन 7 to 8 कॉलेजेस, सब छोड़ के मैं घर पे बैठी।
ओके।
दिस हैज बिकम माय एक्टिव profession. So sometimes when you follow the rules of your numerology, then they start benefiting you. So always keep something aside. कुछ भी आपकी जो हॉबीज है, पैशन है ना, भले मैं बोलती हूँ सीखो, मत करो, लेकिन सीखो उसको, थोड़ा थोड़ा करो, अपने फैमिली के लिए करो, फ्रेंड्स के लिए करो, भले पैसे के लिए मत करो, बट फॉलो योर पैशन।
ओके, अंडरस्टूड।
ओके,
यस, थैंक यू मैम।
मोस्ट वेल। So that way these are like from 0 to 22 cards. ऐसे ही हम लोग डिटेलिंग में पढ़ेंगे, एकदम माइन्यूटेस्ट डिटेल भी हम पढ़ेंगे कार्ड्स की। जैसे मैंने अभी पोमोग्रेनेट्स के बारे में बताया, इसके बारे में और भी कुछ चीजें, राज हैं छुपे हुए हैं कार्ड्स में, जो आप एक्चुअली टैरो रीडिंग में सीखने वाले हो। और फिर हमने जो बात की 4 एलिमेंट्स की, हमने बात की कप्स की। ओके,
So, ma'am, actually, I have to leave,
you
like I
have
said,
to leave.
I'll get in touch with you in the evening.
No problem, no problem,
Okay.
absolutely.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so we have this element called cups. अब कप्स वाले जो भी कार्ड्स आपकी रीडिंग में आएंगे, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम एस, एस इज नंबर 1, 1 के बाद 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 कार्ड्स आएंगे। एस जो भी कार्ड्स होते हैं, they carry the power of all the 10 cards which come after them. Okay, so कप्स वाले कार्ड्स आप कैसे रीड करोगे? जब भी आप रीडिंग करते हो, आप रीडिंग करोगे विथ एलिमेंट्स। ओके, तो ये पर्सन जो है एस ऑफ कप्स, इसकी न्यू बिगनिंग, ऑल एसेस आर न्यू बिगनिंग्स, तो इसकी जो भी न्यू बिगनिंग हो रही है वो कोई इमोशनल न्यू बिगनिंग हो रही है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर पानी बह रहा है। सो समथिंग दैट इज very overwhelming in your life. Probably you have met a very beautiful girl or a boy in your life. The very overwhelming moment of your life. अगर आपने कोई प्रोफेशन स्टार्ट किया, सपोज आई लाइक टू रन अ सैलून, और आज मेरा सपना पूरा हुआ है कि मैंने एक सैलून खोला है, तो आई एम वेरी टोटली ओवरवेल्म्ड अबाउट माय सैलून। ओके, फिर कोई जॉब है, आपका मनपसंद जॉब, लाइक मेरे बेटे को जेपी मॉर्गन में जॉब चाहिए था, एंड व्हेन आई डिड मैनिफेस्टेशंस फॉर हिम, मंत्र जाप फॉर हिम, ही गॉट दैट जॉब। And on that day, when I opened his card, I saw that it was Ace of Cups, where he was totally overwhelmed that he got that job of his choice. So, इसमें कप्स में, कप्स वाले जो भी कार्ड आएंगे उसमें आपके इमोशंस जुड़े रहेंगे, एंड वो चीज आपको बहुत खुशी देगी। ओके, समथिंग दैट यू डू with your heart, you do with your love and passion. Now in this card, suppose अगर मैंने राहुल को बोल दिया कि you have to, suppose he has a passion for cards. Okay, now if I tell him that Rahul, in this card I see that your passion for cars is going to be completed, आप वो करने ही वाले हो. So this card is trying to say that the expression of Rahul will be that he will be totally overwhelmed. He might even have tears in his eyes. Okay, so something overwhelming is going to happen into your life. तो all the cup cards will denote emotional value to whatever it is. It can be relationship, it can be job, it can be health, it can be profession, it can be marriage. जहां पर भी होगा वो आपको emotional contentment देगा. Okay. If you get wand cards, Ace of Wands. Okay. Ace of Wands means what? It is a stick. It is fire. It is effort. लकड़ी के साथ हम सपोर्ट लेते हैं. So it is effort. It is passion. It is knowledge. Okay. तो कोई भी चीज आप effort, passion, knowledge के साथ करोगे आपको बहुत बेनिफिट मिलेगा. Now suppose you want to start a business. Okay. So in बॉन्ड कार्ड्स आपको वो चीज के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, आपको एफर्ट डाल के उसकी रिसर्च करनी पड़ेगी, उसमें आपको काम करना पड़ेगा, डे एंड नाइट बैठ के उसकी स्ट्रेटजीज बनानी पड़ेगी, तब जाके आपका वो प्रोफेशन स्टार्ट होगा. रिलेशनशिप में आपको एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा, वो लड़की के चक्कर काटने पड़ेंगे, उसका फोन नंबर ढूंढना पड़ेगा, उसको गिफ्ट्स भेजनी पड़ेगी, तब जाके ये रिलेशनशिप वर्क करेगा. ओके. So anything in which you put your heart and soul is going to work for you. Okay. फिर आते हैं हमारे पेंटिकल वाले कार्ड्स. पेंटिकल्स इज नथिंग बट द अर्थ एलिमेंट. पेंटिकल क्या होता है? इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ कॉइन. ओके. कॉइन्स, मेटल्स हमें कहाँ मिलते थे? इन द क्रस्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, नीचे धरती में. दैट्स व्हाई पेंटिकल्स आर नोन एज अर्थ एलिमेंट. अर्थ एलिमेंट का मीनिंग क्या है? Ace of Pentacle. Okay. Ace of Pentacle. Pentacle का मीनिंग होता है कि somewhere you are a very earthy person, down to earth. Okay. Now these people are very materialistic in the sense कि ये लोग वही काम करते हैं जिसमें इनका फायदा होता है. Okay. So they will invest the money in that land which can be very fruitful to them, which can give them lot of name, fame, success. Okay, जहां पर इन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया इनको फायदा भी हुआ, ग्रोथ भी हुई, नाम भी हुआ कि चलो यहाँ पर इन्वेस्ट किया, ये ग्रो हुआ, इसमें से इसको फायदा हो गया. So you will invest your time in that person जहां से आपको फायदा है. Like I went to college, I fell for a guy who was rich. And I got married to him and I became Mrs. So and so. Like, मैं इतनी rich personality के घर में जाके मेरी शादी हो गई. So I will like the person only because of his money. I don't like him because of his nature or because of anything else. मुझे एक पैसे वाली पत्नी आदमी की पत्नी बनना था, इसके लिए I invested my time and effort in that relationship. Okay, so Pentacle wala will only invest his time and money in where he will get benefit. Then we come to swords. Sword. Sword is connected to your mind and to your communication. बोलते हैं ना इसकी जबान तलवार के जैसे चलती है. So it is connected to your communication and your thought process. Now, in many sword cards, you will see clouds. Okay? Don't you say sometimes that I'm feeling very clouded? मेरा दिमाग बहुत clouded feel कर रहा है. That means somewhere it needs to be cleansed. Anybody knows how do we sharpen the sword? Sword को sharp कैसे करते हैं? उसको कैसे powerful बनाते हैं? Anyone?
By rubbing against another metal or edges, basically.
See, actually मैं सच्ची बताऊं तो sword है ना हवा से तेज होता है. If you see people who come for the war, they will do this first in the air, and then they will, use that sword. So sword is actually an air element. It gets its strength from the air. Okay, this I don't know if most of you know or don't. Air element होता है हवा में तीर चलाना, हवा में तीर को तेज करना. So it's an air element, and it is also communication. It is also your rational thinking. Do you think these people are sensitive? Sword वाले लोग sensitive होते हैं?
Yes, because they are connected to their mind.
No, they are not sensitive because they have a sharp tongue.
Okay.
मुंह पे
Okay.
फट
Yes,
करके
yes,
बोल देते हैं, फट से.
yes.
बिकॉज तलवार है ना, तलवार कभी भी, अगर जो वॉरियर तलवार लेके मैदान पे उतरा है, अगर वो सोचेगा अरे मैं इसको नहीं मारूं उसका खून निकलेगा, तो वो वॉरियर नहीं बन सकता है,
Yes,
राइट?
yes.
तो this person is heartless. He is absolutely blunt and absolutely fearless. Okay? ये जो सोचता है ट्रांसपेरेंट होता है, सीधा मुंह पे बोल देता है, I don't think this dress is suiting you. I don't think I like you. He will tell you on your face. तो यहाँ पर कौन सा एलिमेंट मिसिंग होता है? इनका हार्ट चक्र ब्लॉक्ड होता है. So because they are very upfront. Okay. So what does Ace of Swords try to say? Ace means new beginning. New beginning किसमें है? जो भी आपने सोचा है, जो भी आपने कम्युनिकेट किया है, वो आइडिया आपकी सक्सेसफुल होगी. Okay. So anything that you think and you implement or you communicate, it's going to be super hit. आपने एक एलिक्यूशन कंपटीशन में पार्ट लिया, आपने कुछ आइडिया सोची, आपने उसके बारे में लिखा, उसके बारे में आपने बोला और आपको फर्स्ट प्राइज मिली. So whatever decisions you make in your job, in your business, in your relationship, in your for your health is going to be successful. Okay. So all sword cards are going to be rational cards जो सोचते हैं, वो करते हैं और उसमें वो सक्सेसफुल होते हैं. But many a times they are also very rash thinkers. बहुत rashly करते हैं, अपने behavior इनका rash होता है. तो अभी अगर मैं हर टाइम आप लोगों को इंसल्ट करूं, रैशली बात करूं, आपको बिल्कुल भी मतलब आपकी इज्जत नहीं रखूं, will you come to me? So somewhere there they lose out on their clients because of their blunt behavior, their blunt speech, nature. Okay. Many people like such kind of people also. Like I suppose some people tell me that I like people who are on the face. मुझे मुंह पे बोलते हैं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Okay. So, but too much also, if you're blunt, then it can harm your relations with people. So in all the sword cards, you will try to see people who are absolutely heartless and they try to hurt others. And then they feel they are the winners, but somewhere they lose out on relationships. Okay. So that way we will be doing in detail all these cards. Then I'll just explain to you 2-3 code cards. Okay. ये थोड़ा सा explain करके then we'll just play a small game where we will try to know the personality. Okay, how's your personality? अभी code cards में we have 4 page cards. Page cards are nothing but maybe they are young girls, young teenage girls. So हर एक element की एक है, एक sword की है, एक pentacle की है, एक wand की है और एक cups की है. Okay. तो young teenage girls with different personalities. Cup वाली emotional है, wand वाली hard working है, पेंटिकल वाली बहुत मनी माइंडेड है और सोर्ड वाली मुंहफट है. ओके. सेम वे में हमारे पास 4 नाइट कार्ड्स हैं, KNIGHT, ऐसे 4 नाइट कार्ड्स हैं. ओके. ये वाला इमोशनल है, ये वाला हार्ड वर्किंग है, ये वाला मनी माइंडेड है, ये वाला मुंहफट है. देन वी हैव 4 क्वीन कार्ड्स. तो क्वींस कैसी हैं? एक इमोशनल है कप वाली, पेंटिकल वाली मनी माइंडेड है, वॉन्ड वाली हार्ड वर्किंग है, सोर्ड वाली मुंहफट है. तो ऐसे आपने याद कर लिया ना. somebody was asking me ना in the beginning कि ये सब याद करने पड़ेंगे कार्ड्स. आपको याद करने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है. आपने एलिमेंट्स से इनको कनेक्ट कर दिया, आपके लिए बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. सेम वे में 4 किंग कार्ड्स है, एक कप है जो इमोशनल है, बॉन्ड वाला हार्ड वर्किंग है, पेंटिकल वाला बहुत मनी माइंडेड है और सोर्ड वाला मुंहफट है. ओके. तो आपने एलिमेंट से अगर उनको कनेक्ट किया, आपके लिए रीडिंग्स बहुत बहुत इजी हो जाएगी. Okay, so now we'll just quickly play a small game and then we can end. Okay, now I'm only taking these 4 cards and I am seeing what's your personality. Okay. Okay, for Kartiki, I will just see what is the personality of Kartiki. Okay. So Kartiki, I get for you the card which is the Knight of Swords. Okay. I don't know whether I'm correct because I'm not connected with the cards. It's just a very a very cute game that I play. So Knight of Swords is देखो Knight मतलब young teenage boys होते हैं या girls होती हैं. Okay, now even if you are a 30-year-old or a 40-year-old, but somewhere you carry the personality of a young teenager. Okay, Knight matlab young teenager. Sword means someone who takes very quick action, someone who's very hasty in taking decisions and wants to reach their target, wants to reach their destination very fast. I don't know if I'm right. Kartiki, can you approve of this? Kartiki, can you unmute? I think she's not there. Hello, Kartiki? Okay, she's not responding. Okay, let's read for Nishma. Are you there, Nishma?
Yes, yes, I'm there.
Okay. Nishma, I get the Queen of Cups. Okay.
Okay.
Queen of Cups is a mother who is very loving, who is very caring, but somewhere the cup is closed. Okay. Cup closed का मतलब ये होता है कि somewhere she is not able to express her feelings to her children. Inside, she is very hurt and she's very, very emotionally disturbed. Somewhere she feels that I don't want to show that to my children. I don't want to show my grief or my problems to my children. That's the reason I'm going to be tough on myself. So, someone who is more mature and doesn't want to hurt other people or let other people know her story. Okay, Kartiki left. Okay. Okay. So, somewhere she's a very, very loving mother and very caring mother, but doesn't want to show her feelings or show her emotions, her turmoil to other people around her. Now, what is, if you see, this is what she is, and this is what the cards are guiding her to do. Okay. So, the guidance for Nishma is that she should be the Page of Cups. That means अपने life में अपना एक बचपना भी दिखाओ. अपना, try to be like a small kid, like keep your child alive.
Okay.
Try to be more like a child, someone who's more loving, someone who's more caring, and someone who's forget everything else. Just be like a child. Be
Okay.
expressive, be creative, be happy.
Okay.
So this is your guidance. Let's see what's there for Rahul. Rahul, for you, I get the Queen of Swords. Okay. So Queen of Swords somewhere, because you are a number 2 also, somewhere 2 numbers, little bit of a feminine quality that you possess.
Yeah.
So somewhere you're very soft from inside, like like a coconut.
Yes.
Soft from inside, but very tough from outside.
Okay.
So you try to show the world that you can't fool me. So you're covering, you're protecting your soft nature.
Correct.
And you try to show the world that you want to feel that अरे यार कोई भी मेरा फायदा उठा के जाएगा. It's better I show that I'm a very tough guy. But if somebody hurts you, you're the first one to cry.
True.
है ना? So ये है
Yeah.
Queen of Swords. But the guidance for you is try to be the Queen of Pentacle. So
That means
Queen of Pentacle का मतलब होता है कि अपना सॉफ्ट नेचर रखो, बट कहीं ना कहीं थोड़े से अपने बारे में भी सोचो, मटेरियलिस्टिक बनो, अपने फायदे के लिए सोचो, बिकॉज मनी पेंटिकल इज थिंग, अपना फायदा सोचो, अपने लिए भी सोचो, अपने लिए भी जियो.
okay.
Don't finish your time in showing the world what you are. Do things for yourself also. Nurture yourself. So pentacles are also nurturing. Be in nature. Be a nature lover. Spend time in nature. Spend time for yourself.
Okay.
Be soft with yourself. Bhale you be tough with the world, but with yourself, love yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood. Thank you, ma'am.
We come to Ruchi. Ruchi ke liye, I get the Queen of Wands. Ruchi, do you like to be on social media?
All the time.
देखो, क्वीन ऑफ वॉन्ड है ना, वॉन्ड फायर होता है, फायर कैसे हमेशा जलती रहती है एंड वांट्स टू बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड. इवन दूर कहीं फायर होगी तो यू विल सी ओ देयर इज फायर. तो दीज पीपल नीड रिकॉग्निशन. रिकॉग्निशन हमको कहाँ मिलता है? सोशल मीडिया पे. तो दीज पीपल ऑलवेज वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर देमसेल्व्स. अपने लिए कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं. शाइन, दे वांट टू शाइन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. दे वांट टू प्रूव दैट ओके आई हैव डन दिस, आई नीड रिकॉग्निशन. ओके, सो इस चीज को गाइडेंस में आ रहा है, बी द क्वीन ऑफ वॉन्ट्स, सॉरी किंग ऑफ वॉन्ट्स. दैट मीन्स ये चीज को और बढ़ावा दो. गो लिटिल मोर हायर इन दिस. ट्राई टू शो द वर्ल्ड कि आई कैन रीच देयर ऑल्सो. I can get these many followers, I can move the world, I can do something, I can prove that I am, I can do something in life and show you. Like ऐसे होता है ना, मैं अपने माँ बाप को कुछ करके दिखाऊंगी, मैं अपना नाम रोशन करूंगी. So you can do that with your fire element. जो element आपको आ रहा है उसको use करो.
Got it. Such a coincidence. Yesterday only somebody told me that you should start a blog or, you start your own channel on Instagram and all. So yeah, I can relate.
See, अभी तो मैंने कार्ड्स दिए हैं, ये कनेक्टेड नहीं है, ये मेरे प्रैक्टिस, उसमें ही इतना रियल प्रेडिक्शन आ रहा है. तो इमेजिन इफ यू कनेक्ट द कार्ड्स, where you will. So we have already started with one course. अभी एक ही lecture हुआ है. Like every month we have 3 or 4 batches where we have the basic classes, we have the basic and advanced. That's a professional course. So if anybody of you is interested in joining the course, so basic course is 15,000, in which you will only learn the upright meanings of the cards. इतना डेप्थ में हम नहीं जाएंगे जितना आज गए. And you will also learn basic spreads. So in that also you can do readings for like your family, friends, clients. But if you're doing the complete professional course, which is 30,000, in that you will learn each and every. अभी जितना मैंने पढ़ा है उससे भी ज्यादा डेप्थ में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. And you will also learn a lot of things in that. Like you will learn how to connect astrology, numerology. How can you give predictions with connecting the astrology, numerology part, color schemes, symbols, then animals, birds, इसमें जो भी crowns पहने हैं इन्होंने, जो भी props use किए हैं, जो भी जैसे तोरण लगा हुआ है, everything in detail you will be learning about the cards. You will be learning about how you can connect with one card to the other card. कि दोनों बाजू बाजू में कार्ड्स पड़े, उनकी कंपैटिबिलिटी कैसे करते हैं, मैरिज कंपैटिबिलिटी कैसे करते हैं, डिवोर्स कैसे देखते हैं, ये कोर्ट कार्ड, मतलब कोर्ट, जो भी कोर्ट की प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं वो कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. पास्ट लाइफ भी आप देख सकते हो, पास्ट लाइफ में क्या थे, प्रेजेंट में आपकी कंडीशंस क्या है, फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है, आपके कौन से प्रोफेशंस फ्लरिश करने वाले हैं, एज पर योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, विच प्रोफेशंस आर गुड फॉर यू and which are not good for you. You can also read how you can find out if the black magic is done on you, evil eye is done on you, which chakras are blocked in the cards. Then which dashas you're going through, आप शनि की कौन सी दशा में चल रहे हो, अंतर दशा में चल रहे हो, प्रत्यंतर दशा में चल रहे हो, what remedies you should do, कौन से आपके planets उच्च हैं, कौन से नीच हैं, ये सब आप कार्ड्स में से रीड कर सकते हो. Then we have basic predictions, we have advanced prediction, spreads that you can use. Then even from the spreads, you can learn the elements of people. For example, somebody is coming to you for a reading. How you will be, suppose I'm going to come to you for a reading, तो आप पहले से ही मेरे कार्ड्स निकाल के देखोगे कि लवीना की पर्सनालिटी कैसी है, उसके कौन से एलिमेंट्स मिसिंग है, और मुझे उसको रीडिंग कैसी देनी है. मतलब सपोज इफ आई एम अ वेरी सेंसिटिव पर्सन, तो मेरे बहुत सारे कप कार्ड्स आए हुए हैं आपकी रीडिंग में, तो यू नो दैट यू हैव टू डील विथ मी वेरी इमोशनली. Okay, if I see a lot of sword cards, I know that I can deal with this person in a very practical way. मैं उसको मुंह पे बोल सकती हूँ कि भाई तुम्हारा लॉस होने वाला है. So beforehand, how can you know? Only by the name of the person you can know his personality. Accordingly, you can design a reading for her. Okay, so this is how you will be a perfect tarot reader within 2 to 3 months. It depends on how much, like just say Ruchi said, she's on social media. She can make a lot of clients, give free readings on social media, Facebook pay, Instagram pay, free readings though, keep some offers, ek pay, ek question free, go for exhibitions, do some readings over there. That's how you will earn. So my students right now, some of them are in Ireland who are earning more than 1 lakh a month only by doing part-time readings. So many students who learned within 2 to 3 months, उन्होंने अपने जो भी फीस भरी थी वो बाहर निकाली. So you can definitely, make a living out of this. Even though you're doing any other profession, side by side, 2 घंटा भी अगर आप टैरो कर रहे हो, you can earn a lot of money. Lifetime guidance आपको मेरे से मिलेगा. If I'm doing some new courses, or if I want to add something to your course, lifetime free things will be given to you. You don't need to pay. एक बार आपने ये प्रोफेशनल कोर्स कर लिया, आपको फिर मेरे से कोई चीज सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है. टैरो रिलेटेड जो भी न्यू मैं सीखूंगी वो आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वो ग्रुप में आ जाएगा. Any other query you have, any other doubt you have, you can ask.
Ma'am, the beginner plus advanced, I think that's the professional course.
Yeah.
So how long will this course take to complete?
Okay, so if you are doing it every day, we complete it in 15 days. Plus minus थोड़ा यहाँ वहाँ होता है. But if you are doing alternate days, then accordingly it will go on for a month.
Okay, and will this be virtual or in person?
This is virtual.
Okay, this is virtual.
Yeah. In person, we can meet once or twice for tarot spreads. If you want to learn spreads, we can meet.
Okay.
Yeah, we can. That's not an issue.
Okay.
But it becomes easy for you because जो theory part है, it's not really required to meet in person.
Okay.
The spreads and all, yes, we can definitely make maybe whatever comfortable day for the people who are joining in.
Okay, and will this be a group setting or an individual learning?
So if in this group people are joining, then this can become a group. अभी जो मेरा just कल start हुआ है, so you can join that group. So whatever the 10 cards that I've done with them, I can teach you separately.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So I think Ruchi is coming and going. There's some problem in her network. Yeah. So if you want, you can join that group because they wanted weekdays, alternate days. अभी हमने decide किया है, but it can always be like a flexible thing.
Okay.
Days can be flexible as per your availability.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So are you working like full time?
Me, I'm currently finding a job.
Oh, you're
So
fine.
so I'm supposed to maybe join by the 1st of Feb, but any which ways, I'm too busy in the process of finding a job. So at this point, I won't be joining, but once I get into a job, I'll definitely join because I'm very keen in learning tarot. At least the first step towards my astrology or occult journey.
Never mind, anytime. So you can just get back to me whenever you feel you're ready.
Yes.
If you feel you want to join now, अभी ये जो batch में, you're most welcome. But if you feel you need time to think or you need time,
Yeah.
you can take your, you can take your time for that.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
No problem. What about Ruchi? Ruchi, is your network okay?
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry. So there's been a few questions actually before we go there. So how often do you hold these classes, and is it like on weekdays, weekends? Like I'm just trying to figure it out, like if it is convenient that way to.
Okay, so
Mm.
keep having these free demo classes. I'm trying to keep them every week so that जितने students जमा होंगे, so we can have a group because it is fun in a group. If you learn only like
Mm.
visually, it will be very boring. So if you have a group, you can do group practice. We can, share each other's problems and whatever you don't understand becomes little easy also for you to. So अभी currently 3 batches are going on. एक मेरा spell course चल रहा है, एक मेरा basic course ये चल रहा है, and one batch is only 2 people in each. एक ये चल रहा है, निश्मा. Okay, निश्मा, bye. एक मेरा प्रोफेशनल कोर्स है, 2 students का अभी जस्ट कल स्टार्ट हुआ है. So that way we keep having every month. So now again, one more demo lecture will be there in the next few days. So as and when the group is ready, I start.
Okay, but like matlab, you do the classes like every day, or is it like once in a week, or how is it?
So it depends on the group. Now this group, the professional group, they want it on weekdays, alternating.
Acha.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday we are doing. Then
Okay.
some people want it like if they are working, then they want it on Saturday, Sundays. So I'm flexible according to the group.
Got it.
Usually like अभी जो group है ये professional वाला, they are not working. Like they are doing freelance. So they are okay with afternoon time, 1 to 3 we sit.
And how many hours like in one
2
class?
hours maximum, because beyond that I feel you get tired.
Mm.
So I want
Got
you
it.
to enjoy. I don't want you to punish you. Like I don't want to punish you.
Yeah. And you would advise like to buy cards before we join the classes, or it's like you will guide us like how to buy, where to buy,
I
etc.
will
and all.
guide you from where to buy, but some people have cards already, so I tell them to use those cards only. Otherwise, I can give you the link. You can buy from Amazon or you can buy from me also.
Mm.
Whatever, there's no compulsion. So you can buy, and during the course while we are studying, we don't require the cards.
Okay.
Until and unless you feel like you want to see the cards, then it's okay. Otherwise, अगर कोई लोग join करने से पहले खरीद लेते हैं.
Mm.
So you can buy
Got it.
in advance also, or you can buy later also. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lavina, I'm definitely interested, but I think I'll, kind of connect with you to work out the next steps, because
Sure.
I'm a full-time working professional and I only get times on weekends, and weekends are also packed with certain other things. But I would definitely want to pursue and learn more, maybe smaller sessions initially and then going full-fledged. So
Sure.
I'll be in touch.
Sure.
Yeah.
So can you just leave your numbers here and just write down your mobile numbers. One second. So I can like whenever we are starting some batch, I can inform you all.
Yeah. Do you want me to ping you on WhatsApp? We are connected on WhatsApp already.
Definitely. Rahul, even you can just leave your number on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
You can message me. I'll just keep it as a record. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. I hope you had a great time.
Yes, Lavina, it was fun. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, Nishma.